We've all been there. You initiate a transfer on your M1 Finance account, see that optimistic little notification that says 1 to 2 business days, and then you wait. It's a classic case of expectation versus reality. But why is the transfer speed on M1 Finance such a hot topic in places like Reddit? And what's the actual, real-world timeline you should prepare for when moving your money? Let's dive into the expectation versus the reality of M1 transfers, powered by the collective experience of the internet. The expectation, speed, and simplicity. When you look at M1 Finance's official help pages, the promise is often straightforward. A deposit from an external bank into your M1 Invest account is typically 1 to 2 business days. A withdrawal back to your bank? Also, 1 to 2 business days, as long as the money is considered withdrawable cash. The expectation, for many users, is that in our world of instant peer-to-peer payments and lightning-fast digital banking, moving money should be almost instantaneous, or at most, a simple overnight affair. You click the button, the money is gone tomorrow. The reality, a web of delays. The problem is, M1 Finance isn't just a bank, it's a brokerage built around a very specific investment structure. And this structure, coupled with the underlying banking process, is where the waiting game begins. The biggest reality check is that M1 transfers are primarily ACH transfers, the automated clearinghouse network. It's the standard, cost-effective way banks move money, but it's not instant. Now, let's look at the 3 main scenarios that spark the most frustration on Reddit. 1. The deposit delay. When is my money really available? You deposit $1,000. It shows up in your M1 account the next day. Great. But if you try to withdraw it or use it to pay off a loan, you'll hit the infamous holding period. Reddit stories are full of users who learned this the hard way. New deposits to an M1 Invest account have a 6 business day holding period before they can be withdrawn to an external bank. You can invest it right away, but you can't withdraw it. This rule is a major sticking point that turns a perceived one-day transfer into a full week of waiting. 2. The withdrawal trap, selling to get cash. This is arguably the most complex scenario. Let's say you need $5,000 out of your M1 account. If you don't have enough already settled cash, you must first sell your investments. This initiates a 3-step process that can feel agonizingly slow. Trading window. The sale only happens during M1's once or twice daily trading window. Settlement. Even after the sale, the funds need to settle, which is typically T+1, or the trade date plus 1 business day. ACH transfer. Only then does the 1 to 2 business day ACH transfer back to your external bank begin. As one Reddit user put it, you're looking at a standard M1 withdrawal timeline of 7 to 9 business days from sale to cash in your external bank. Ouch. 3. The workaround, initiating from the outside. The final piece of Reddit wisdom is a practical tip for deposits. To speed things up, initiate the ACH transfer from your external bank to M1, not from M1 itself. Many users find that when M1 is the receiving party, the funds are available sooner, often overnight, as M1 doesn't have to wait for your other bank to pull the money. So, while the M1 system offers low-cost, automated investing, that convenience comes at the cost of transfer speed. The key is understanding that transfer time